Day 7, and today we are looking at cooking and serving good food, most especially homemade meal for your spouse. Remember, still on tips to making your marital bond stronger. Yes, some school of thought, they believe that the way to a man's heart is through their stomach. Again, you must know that cooking is an art of service. And when you cook good food for your spouse, and the meal, that food you cook for your spouse is very, very delicious, it brings cherished memories to them. Sometimes it reminds your spouse of those special time. So those special time you have with them, and it does create moments of emotional intimacy and bonding between the two of you. Yes. So for those of you that don't know how to cook, be humble and learn. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you are the type that you have maid or you have cooks that normally cook for your family, go and learn from them. You can also take or enroll in cooking classes. You can check Google or watch from YouTube. Yes, try and learn how to make food. Not just food, homemade food for your spouse. There are a lot of advantages if you know how to cook. There are a lot of advantages. Take for instance, when you cook good nutritional meal for your husband or for your spouse, it contributes greatly to their physical health and their energy level. Yes, you can as well ask your spouse for his favorite meal and make it for them. You understand? Try new recipes. Like I said, new recipes you learn from your cooking classes or from YouTube or the one you browse from Google. Try those recipes out. Yes, it helps. Another thing you must put into consideration is the serving manner. How do you serve your food? How do you serve your spouse after cooking that delicious meal? Do you treat your spouse as your VIP? Do you treat your spouse as your king? Yes. Do you do that? Remember, if your spouse is your king, you are his queen. Yes. So serve him as a king. Have special plate for your spouse. Special plate are not only meant for visitors when they come to your house. Okay? Serve your spouse as your king, as your VIP. It goes a long way. Again, for those of you that have maids or cooks in your home, you must make it your habit. You must make it your duty to serve your husband yourself, except in cases where you are not around. Yes, which is possible. Not when you are around, you delegate such duties to your housemaid or to your cook to serve your husband. Of course. So when you do all these things I mentioned here, it will not only foster deeper emotional connection between the two of you. Yes, it will also make your husband to be happy, knowing that you prioritize his happiness, which will also strengthen your marital bond. Yes, so it will strengthen your marital bond to be more stronger when you do all these things I mentioned here. So try this in your marriage and see the magic. Okay, I will see you on my next video. Bye.